DIY indoor grow chamber or indoor greenhouse. Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Savings Garden. Here we talk about gardening, ways to save money and other special events. So today we're gonna be doing an indoor greenhouse. The greenhouse I have right now, it's a little bit small for the plants, the tropical plants that I have in there. So I want to make another small chamber that's gonna be enough for the plants because the plants are growing very high. So I would just want to make a new one that would be a much wider space for my plants. So here I'm just making a couple of holes, drilling a couple of holes where I'm gonna put the two by fours or the 2x2s for the shelving units. So I also have another video that shows you how to get cheap lumber for projects like this. So I'll see if I can put the links to it below. I'm also trying to see if I can put the dimensions to it to some of these below. So this is one side of the shelf. Now I just finished the second side. So now I just have to put the two of them together. I have to cut all the various. The distance between them is about 37 inches from one post to another. So I'll see if I can put the link for that below. So here I have both of them ready, and I'm just putting the shelving units over here. These posts are gonna hold the shelving units. So here I have all the various posts set, and now I just have to add the shelving units. Let me know what you think about this. But this is all set, and I have the shelving. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just make sure that I have the shelving on top finished, and then I'm just gonna start sealing all the sides with plastic. I'm using insulation plastic to seal all the sides so that way it maintains the temperature inside. So now I'm just using this insulation plastic to seal everything. Everything is sealed. Unfortunately I couldn't take a video of it before I could start filling it up, but here is it now. I have the plants inside. There's a lot of space for the plants to grow up higher, and the lights are able to get to most of the plants on the. So I have three layers. The top two layers are for plants. The bottom layer is mostly for the heater that I put over there, so just that it maintains the temperature in there. So I have lights on both layers, and everything is set on a timer for the lights to come on. And also I just found some lights here that I'm gonna show you guys. The next video I'll show you guys the lights that I made, which are really great and are cheap. So stay tuned for that. So here I have everything set up. I have lights here, and the lights are closed. The next thing I'm going to do is just make sure that these lights are a little bit closer to the plants so that they do much better when the distance is not this high. So I have to put some stuff underneath to make it a little bit higher. So that is it. I think this is going to be much better than the old one that I had, and it's going to help me be able to grow more with the lot of space that I have there and the lot of time for it to grow. Okay, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and have a fabulous day.